How to send GIFs on Snapchat. You can send GIFs on Snapchat from an easy way, and here is how to do so. First of all, open the Snapchat app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Snapchat account. Once inside the Snapchat app, all you have to do is take a snap, photo, or video. You can simply see the camera icon available there in the circle. Tap on it to take a snap, or else you can simply browse through your gallery by the photos section available there at the bottom left corner and select a photo or video. Now, once you take a snap, all you have to do is tap on this sticker icon, square with a folded corner at the right hand side panel. Once you tap on it, all you have to do is select the GIF at the search bar at the top left corner of your screen. Now search for GIF and tap 1 to add it to your snap. You can simply resize or move the GIF anywhere on your snap. And once done so, tap on the send to share it with your friends or post it to your story. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.